Hey there, welcome back to the channel. This is Dawn Does Life, and today I have another unboxing for New Craftday. So, funny story, these came in before Christmas and got put on a shelf and kind of got forgotten about. So, I contacted New Craftday. Thank you to them, by the way. New Craftday are just so awesome. They said, no problem, just go ahead and unbox it, and they sent me some January deals to share with you guys, as well as a discount code. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox New Craftday and share with you what they sent me, and we'll just get right into it. So I'm going to just move these off to the side and pull one right out of the bag, and let's see what they sent me. So this one, I know right off the hop, this is a tough one. Oh, this one didn't even stick in here. Okay. What the heck? So this one is Blooming Flowers, and it is a full round. I believe it's a 30 by 30 it says. Comes with a, oh my goodness. It comes with a regular kit with your pen, boat, and wax, which is everything you need to get started. And then as well, it comes with the drills that we'll go through in a moment. But this one I just thought was kind of just a pretty sort of abstract flower decoration. I'm just going to move those off. And it kind of caught my eye. So stick factor on this one is really, really good. It's laying pretty flat for me, and I will just bring it up so you can see the drilling field. Does not look bad at all. It looks like it's little blocks of color. There is a little bit of confetti, but not too much. But mostly it's just in kind of like little spurt boxes to represent the flower. So I think it'll be quite cute. 19 colors. Let's take a look at these colors. So it looks like some bright colors. We've got some, let me get to the end here. We've got some kind of a little bit of mustardy yellow, some light pink, some peachy pink, and then kind of just like a true pink. I like this minty color. Another sort of dark peachy color of pink, and then some tan, dark tan. Very light pink, baby blue, medium blue, navy blue, and then what I call like that butter corn. And then another peachy orange, some lime green, because lime green is awesome. And we've also got some kind of, I would say, grass green. And then a beigey cream. And a little bit of a slate blue, a little bit of a gray tinge to it. And some lilac-y purple, and then kind of more of a purpley purple. You all know I'm horrible with colors. I'm just going to stick these back together. Hopefully I can get them sort of somewhat in the right shape. Okay, so that one, if I didn't tell you, was $4.01, and everything will be in USD, just because that's what that's the budget they gave me. So I figured it would be easiest to stick with that. This one. Okay, this is a cute one. I thought this was cute. So when I was first looking at them, I think I had something on the brain, but this picture is cute anytime. So hopefully it'll lay kind of flat. And it says Gnome, sweet Gnome. It's so cute. It's a 30 by 40. It's a full drill round, lots of black. But just these two little, a man and a girl and a boy gnome. I'm gonna bring the canvas up to you just to look at how clear it is. It's very, very clear. There'll be lots of color blocking on this one. Very, very little confetti if there is any. Let's just see if I can straighten that out a tiny, tiny bit. But this one has 18 colors on it, and same simple boat, the wax, and the pen, which again, I can't state enough, is enough to get started with. This one came for, where is it? $5.38. So again, very budget friendly and nice. These ones all came in their own bags. So if you are somebody who either A, is just starting out and doesn't have extra diamond storage, or B, doesn't even like to kit up into diamond storage, this kit is for you because the bags come with it. Let's see if I can open this. And I'm just going to take these all out and just go over them really quick with you because I will never get them back in here the same way. So it looks like we have some grays. I'll get those in the screen there, sorry. We have some grays. I'm not sure if that's a brown or a dark purple. It looks like a dark purple. There is no DMC color on the bag, but they are on the canvas, just to let you know. And so like a hot pink, a grass green, kind of like a deep red. This is a dark gray, a nice slate blue, another kind of hot pinky red. I think this must be, there's two of these, so I'm assuming these are the black because they look black and there's lots of black on the canvas. Another lime green there. A white, but I'm not even sure if it's a white. It was this 18, it's 3865, so not quite a white, but their representation of a white. A forest green, nice. The drills look like they're in decent shape. There's that butter yellow that I like so much, or that I always seem to see. Kind of a tan color, and then a chocolate brown. But yeah, I'm not seeing a lot of garbage, so the drills are looking really quite nice. I like this as like a deep blue with a tiny bit of a gray undertone to it. And then a peachy color. Nice. And a dark kind of gray blue. Almost like a navy gray. It's actually really pretty. But yeah, no, not too much in the way of junk. I'm going to see if I can scoot these back into the bag. So we can get on to the next ones. So not bad. I think these are cute. Of course, I think gnomes are adorable. And I'm just looking at it. If I don't have anything for gnome season this year, which gnome season has kind of passed, to me it's kind of all year, but it's kind of the events have passed. I definitely will have some for next year. So I think I kind of went a little nuts on gnomes this year. And pull out the next one. On this one. So this is my Christmas themed. You can see it right away. I just put the bag over there. Let's see if I can roll this one up a bit. This one is a partial. It is called Christmas Day, but we all know that some of the names that they come up with are a little bit different than what we would come up with. This one has 7 colors and it says snow. So it's just Santa holding up snow. And I thought it was really cute and I thought it would be quick. And it's just something quick to get you into that mindset. And sometimes you need that. And I thought maybe I would. And then I didn't end up getting to it because I lost it. But the stick factor on this is very, very good. Again, 7 colors with your regular boat plate of wax and the pen. This one, I will take this out just because I'm not sure if it's all crystal. It looks mostly crystal. Okay, so we have a white half moon. They kind of look a little AB, but they're not exactly. Let's see if I can turn it upside down. It's got a really shiny, colorful coat on it, and they would go on these 7s. But they do have a white AB. And then they have silver crystal, red crystal, another red crystal, green, and then a plain black and a pink crystal. So I think this one would go really, really quick. And of course, we all know that we have Christmas in July, so lots of time to do Christmas themed paintings throughout the year as well. And if not, I'm all set for next year. But I thought this was so cute. Just look at this little Santa holding up his... Looks like candy canes in the word snow. And the 2 little birds. I thought this would be a fun one to do. And if I don't, like I said, if I don't get it done this year, that is okay. So I'm just going to put that off to the side. And I will show you the very last thing. But I have a tool called a slice tool, and it is got a ceramic blade on it, and it pretty much slices through anything, no problem, without cutting your fingers. You can run it on your fingers and it won't cut. But the problem with it is it's kind of egg-shaped but flat. And so you have to get really down, and I don't know, just the way you're holding it. I love the thing, but I don't know. I feel like I have to hold it low, and so I'm always afraid I'm going to be wobbly with it. So I saw one of these, same idea. It's a ceramic blade pen, but you can hold it like a pen, which means that you're holding it more naturally. And I just feel like you have better control. But there is the blade. I'll just see if I can put the blade up there. See if you can even see it. It's like right where my nail is. It's right there. But it doesn't cut you. Like you can run your hand on it. It doesn't cut. But when you put it down on a piece of... Let's see if it'll... I don't know why it's not... there we go. But when you do that, like it cuts through your paper. I didn't push very hard because I didn't know what I was pushing. But it cuts right through. So if you had a ruler up against it, well, you can see that it cut kind of a straight line. If you have a ruler up against it, you're going to get a very good cut on it. And plus you're going to have that, the length of it to kind of control, I guess, is what I mean. So I saw it and I thought, well, like I really like the one I have, but if this one will do it just slightly better, then I will give it a try. I don't know if you can see that, but it's so tiny. I'm trying to get back into the screen here. Like, it's just so... It's just such a tiny, tiny little blade. But it works really, really well. And I feel like I'm cutting through, like, let's say my cellophane, but not necessarily my painting. And on the short slice one, a couple of times it has gone right through. Probably because I just didn't know and I pushed too hard. But I love it just the same. Opening up envelopes, such a dream. But there you go, you guys. So there you guys have another great haul from New Craftday. I want to send out a great big thank you to New Craftday and their patience with me. I do appreciate it. I have enjoyed working with them for so long now, and I'm just so happy to see that they all have hearts and understanding. It was a bit of a crazy lead up to Christmas this year, let's just say that. And they were very, very kind. So, just to let you know some of the things going on in their site, they are going right up until the end of January. If you buy 4 paintings from them, you get 1 free. Buy 7, get 2. Buy 10 and get 3. And then, as well, there is the discount code DAWN10, spelled D and then, or capital D, DAWN10. And that will get you 10% off their store. Go ahead and use it. Don't use it, but definitely go check them out. Budget sites are there. You're always going to find some fun, cute designs at a really reasonable price. And I highly encourage you to go and check out some of what they have to offer. So that's going to do it for me, guys. I hope you guys had a marvelous Christmas and New Year. And I say go out, find somebody you love, give them a great big hug, give yourself a hug. It's been a tough year. It's been a tough couple of years. And I am going to see you guys all in the next video. Hold out for my next video. I do have another unboxing to do, and I have a surprise in that one, and it should be out by the end of the week. So stay tuned. We will catch up with you guys shortly. And until then, we'll see you later. Bye.